Hi friends, a very warm welcome to today's video. My channel Beauty by Benifer is all about makeup, lifestyle, travel and more. So if you are interested in watching all these kind of videos, then definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my go-to products which I think are extremely necessary to be in the vanity kit of a bride-to-be who is going to do her own makeup, or if you are going to dress up someone as a bride, then yes, these products are going to be very useful for you and they have to be in your vanity kit. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Even before you start with your makeup, the first thing that you need in your bridal makeup kit is a good moisturizer. For this, I would suggest Nivea Soft Cream. The formula of this cream is so amazing that it gets absorbed in the skin immediately, making it look soft, supple without any visible greasiness. Next up, you need a good primer. I would suggest Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This is an amazing choice which suits most skin types and makes skin smoother by blurring out the pores and filling in the fine lines. The third product that you will need in your vanity are color correctors to correct any skin imperfections that you may have. Here I would strongly recommend the LA Girl color correctors. These give you an option to buy the color corrector as per your skin requirements, and it also turns out budget friendly. The next product that you need in your kit is one of the most important, the foundation. A good foundation can make or break your makeup. It is extremely important to select your foundation carefully and match it perfectly with your skin tone, else your face will look as if you have put on a mask. This is not what you want on your big day, correct? So for foundation, I would definitely suggest L'Oreal Infallible or Maybelline Superstay foundations. As they have good shade variety, suit most skin tones, they are waterproof, long-lasting and also in mid-budget range. Along with foundation for your base makeup, you will also need a good concealer, and for concealer, I strongly recommend LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealers as their formula is very nice. They are easily blendable, waterproof and truly long-lasting. For highlighting and contouring the bride's face, Wet n Wild Mega Glow Dual-Ended Contour Stick is simply perfect. To set your entire base makeup, you will need either a loose powder or a pressed powder. If you tend to sweat a lot, I would suggest you to use pressed powder instead of loose ones, as I personally feel pressed powders are better in controlling sweat compared to the loose powders. But if you have very dry skin, then avoid using pressed powders and go in for loose ones. Maybelline Fit Me range has both loose as well as pressed powders with a wide shade range, so you can take your pick from there. For blusher and highlighter, I would again suggest Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Blush Color and Highlighter Kit. This kit has 3 beautiful blush shades and a highlighter, all in a compact packaging with moderate pricing. Coming to eye makeup, good eyeshadow palettes are generally very expensive. Here I would like to suggest 2 eyeshadow palettes which have beautiful matte, semi-matte and shimmer colors to suit almost all skin types and all skin tones. And they will enable you to create infinite eye looks. The first palette that I would recommend is the Makeup Revolution Professional Eyeshadow Palette. It has 16 eyeshadow shades, and the second one is the Swiss Beauty Color Story Eyeshadow Palette. This has 24 eyeshadow shades. All the colors in these palettes are not at all chalky and are well pigmented. All this at an affordable rate is what makes me select these 2 palettes to go in the bridal makeup kit. For eye glitters, you can use the Wet n Wild Glitter Palette. This has 6 beautiful glitter shades and this is pressed glitter. So you really do not need a separate glue. You can apply it with your fingers and it will give an amazing shine to the eye makeup. If you do not want to purchase this palette, then you can also go in for the glitter singles that Wet n Wild has in its range, and they are also as good. For eyeliner, I will definitely suggest the L'Oreal Superliner Superstar Duo. It has a pencil liner on one end and a liquid liner tip on the other. It dries quickly, it is long lasting, it is waterproof, it is smudge proof. What more do you want? Isn't it? If you wish to purchase a Kajal separately, then you can go in and purchase the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. It is quite nice. It is long lasting, waterproof and smudge proof. For mascara, Maybelline Lash Sensational is also one of the very good mascaras available today in the market, which you can definitely use in your kit. For eyelash curlers, nothing better than the Vega eyelash curler. It is very good quality and very affordable. If you wish to use fake eyelashes, then ProArte has one of the best collections of eyelashes, and the duo glue is universally accepted as the eyelash glue. Now that we are through with the eye makeup, we will move on to lips. For lip liners, I would prefer to go in with the Color Bar Definer lip liners, as there are a lot of color shades available in them and the formula is very soft and creamy. If you wish to purchase multiple lipsticks separately, you can definitely do so from brands such as MAC, Estee Lauder, L'Oreal, Maybelline and many more. But if you want multiple shades and textures all in one lip palette that you can use for n number of times to create infinite looks, then the L'Oreal 8 shade lipstick palette is one of its kind multi-finish multicolor lip palette. It has expertly curated colors with 3 unique finishes: cream, matte and a highlighter. The colors here are very pigmented, they give you multi-finish shades and all this in one single palette. This is really amazing. You can definitely try this product if you wish. For setting your makeup, you can use the Wet n Wild Photo Finish setting spray. This is a very good spray in budget range, but if you want your bride to have that dewy finish all through on her important day, then definitely try to use the Smashbox Primer Water Setting Spray. It can also be used as a primer before you start your makeup, but believe me guys, this product is super worth the price and I can't stop raving about it. Finally friends, any amount of makeup, however good it is not going to give you the desired effect if you do not have the right tools to apply it. So you need the right kind of brushes and beauty blenders to work magic on your bride's face. And for that I would suggest ProArte makeup brushes. They come in moderate budget range and are of very good quality. They also come with their organizer, so you can definitely try out the ProArte brush set. Their beauty blender is also of a very good quality, so if you are comfortable using a beauty blender, you can purchase the beauty blender of ProArte as well. All the products that I have shown in this video will be listed down in the description box, so you can click on the title of the video and check out all the products list and their links in the description box. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and you have found it helpful. If you have done so, please do not forget to give it a quick like. You can also share this video as much as you like. I will see you in my next one. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.